Okay, how come Newton's second law, F equal ma, has the same form in all inertial systems? So let's look at the Galilean definition of what the inertial frame is. And it is simply that there are linear transformation between S and S prime. And just because of this rather simple relation between frames, you can immediately show that the acceleration in S equals the acceleration in S prime. And also the masses does not depend on velocity, so it does not depend on which frame the mass is situated in. So m equal m prime. And further, even the forces are the same in S and S prime. And here what we really mean is that the form of the force, how it looked like in its coordinates, look very similar in the prime coordinates. And it's related to that in physics, every force is related to the relative distance or relative velocity. For example, if you think about gravity, it's really, the force is related to the distance between two particles. So it's a relative distance, say R2 minus R1. And if you look at the Coulomb force, it's the same story there, because it's the distance between charges Q1 and Q2. And so on. You can go through all Newtonian forces, and you will find that this law here is actually respected. Let's take an example of the spring force. So F equals something constant times the delta x. So you can write it like this. X naught here is just the equilibrium position, x naught, where there is no force. So if x equals x naught, this will be 0, of course. And then let's use that transformation here now. X minus x naught is equal to that minus that. Turns out to be the difference again in the prime coordinates. So what do we get? We get this and then this. So F equals F prime. So, and the form, you see this form in prime coordinates look very similar to the form in the non-prime coordinates. So what we have shown here, F equal mass times acceleration in S system equal m prime, and the acceleration in the prime system, and even the force in the prime system. So obviously, if that thing is true in S, then this thing is certainly true in S prime.